What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about how to graph a linear inequality. So generally these are going to be in slope-intercept form. Instead of an equal sign, you're going to have a inequality symbol. And so it works the same as graphing in slope-intercept form, so if you need to, go watch that video. There's some minor differences. If y is greater than or equal to, you're going to shade above the line. And again, once I do an example, it'll make more sense what I mean by shade above. If y is less than or equal to, you shade below. Then, if it's less than or greater than, you do a dotted or dashed line. Dotted line. You could do dashes if you want. And if it's less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you do a solid line. See, very similar principles to when we just graph inequalities. So again, if you need to, also watch a video on graph inequalities. If you have those two videos down, this will make a lot more sense. So I'm just going to make up a random one. I'm going to do y is greater than or, let's just do greater than. Let's do 2x minus 3. So just like slope-intercept form, start with your y-intercept, which in this case is -3. So that's my first point. And then my slope is 2, rise over run, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and kind of follow that pattern. And then generally we would just go through and play connect the dots. So first look, because this is not also equal to, it's going to be a dotted or a dashed line, right? Normally we would just color this in, only do a solid line if it's also equal to. I'm going to do dots, you can do dashes, it doesn't really matter. And just like before, I'm going to put an arrow on each end. Then y is greater than, so that means shade above the line. Okay, that means that y is any number that's above that line. So pick any point on the line and then just move up, right? If I pick a point, move up, you'll notice anywhere on this line, up kind of brings me into this territory. And so then you just shade it in. And so what you're doing is you're identifying that everything above this line is the correct answer. If y was less than, you would color below the line. In this case, it is above the line.